Hi, I'm Dr. Catherine Brown. I'm here to help you locate acupressure point spleen 10. The point is located too soon above the medial-superior border of the patella on the bulge of the medial portion of the muscle quadriceps femoris. The easiest way to find this point is to take the middle of your palm and place it over the middle of the kneecap. Where the pointer finger falls will actually be spleen 10. And when you palpate or press on the point, it's going to be very, very tender. This point has many uses, but mainly it's used to move blood in cases of blood stagnation, especially for women's problems such as heavy bleeding of the uterus. But it's also good for moving blood for pain along the spleen channel and on the upper leg area. This point also tonifies blood and it removes blood heat. So to tonify blood, you would use the clockwise motion with pressure, and to remove heat, you would use the counterclockwise method. And this is all explained in detail at agelessherbs.com at the acupressure direction page. And there's even a page telling all the different uses of spleen 10 in detail. To shop for the earth element stick to help make your treatment more effective, you can go to Ageless Herbs, shop acupressure tools. I hope you have a lovely day, and thank you for listening to my video.